The Astra 1125 SPX offers extraordinary capability and value. November 989 Sierra Echo is a stunning aircraft with some of the most desirable features in a midsize jet. It has been hangared and meticulously maintained. Powered by two Honeywell TFE731-40R engines, this aircraft has incredible power while offering transcontinental range. The engines are currently covered under the Honeywell MSP Gold Maintenance Service Plan, and the APU is covered on MSP. The flight deck features the Collins ProLine 4 avionics system and includes upgrades such as ADS-B out and UNS-1EW Flight Management System with integrated GPS SBAS receiver. Also included is the Iridium satellite phone and Collins Airshow 400 cabin display. The executive configuration allows for 8 passengers to be comfortably seated, and the belted lav seat provides additional capacity if needed. The recent exterior paint and upgraded leather interior make this a turnkey airplane for the next owner. The aluminum airframe has a sleek profile with swept wings and winglets to minimize drag and maximize performance. Later labeled as the Gulfstream G100, the Astra 1125 SPX is backed by Gulfstream's strong support network. This aircraft is maintained on Gulfstream's Plane Parts Airframe Maintenance Program, providing predictable maintenance costs for scheduled and unscheduled events. This particular aircraft was originally registered in Canada, which means it includes valuable modifications which simplifies the process of importing the plane to Canada if desired. If you are looking for a mid-size jet that can fly from coast to coast without a fuel stop, with a low acquisition cost and predictable operating cost, this Astra 1125 SPX may be a great fit for your needs. For more information about November 989 Sierra Echo, contact us today to schedule your private showing.